So I know you had the pleasure of meeting Donna, one of our favorite patients, in an earlier video. And I think what's great about Donna is that she's always taking care of herself, and that means she makes the effort to do little things along the way, so she always looks fantastic but still natural, versus having to do anything extreme at one time. So that means a combination of occasionally a minor surgical procedure, but then combined with other things like taking care of skin and using fillers like Bellafill to maintain volume. So when we do these smaller incremental procedures, you can see how great Donna looks, and she's able to maintain that, again, both in a natural way and over the long term.